यदि आप तेलंगाना एग्जाम सेट जो EAM सेट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो आप सभी के लिए बेस्ट बुक कौन सी होगी उसी के बारे में आज के इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। टीएस में जो तेलंगाना स्टेट है वहां पे एक एग्जाम कंडक्ट कराया जाता है जो इंजीनियरिंग एंट्रेंस एग्जाम होता है जिसका नाम है EAMCET। इस एग्जाम को एंट्रेंस को क्लियर करने के लिए आपके पास 3 बुक्स इंपॉर्टेंट होनी चाहिए, यानी 3 टॉपिक्स आपके पास इंपॉर्टेंट होने चाहिए। वन इज फिजिक्स, second is chemistry, and third is mathematics. Physics, chemistry, mathematics, these are the 3 books which are most important to help you to crack this exam EAM CET in first attempt. Today we are going to discuss about which book is best for you. As per the latest notification, as per the recommendation of qualified candidates who have qualified this exam in first attempt by using these books. यदि आप ये किताबें परचेज करते हैं, इन किताबों को परचेज करके आप देखते हैं तो कितने इंपॉर्टेंट ये आपकी किताबें हो जाएंगी कि आप फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ये एग्जाम क्लियर कर सकते हैं। बुक्स में क्या है कि इंटायर सिलेबस कवर्स इन 28 चैप्टर्स। इंटायर सिलेबस इज कवर्ड इन 28 चैप्टर्स एंड प्रैक्टिस सेट इज 1 2 3 3 chapters practice sets also are added in this book. This is the most selling book of physics, especially for the EAMCET exam in the Telangana, which is conducted in Telangana. Books feature provide the previous year question paper 2018 to 2023. All question papers are added in this book so that you can check the difficulty level, question structure, question standard, and all things you can check by solving the previous year question paper, including all the online question papers also added in the online form questions and segregated in the chapter wise manner. All chapter wise, all topics are covered in chapter wise, detailed solution for each question. Each and every question is narrated in easy and simple way so that you can understand easily. 3 practice sets in the at the end of the this book. इस बुक के अंत में आपको 3 प्रैक्टिस सेट भी मिलेगा जिससे आप ये एनालिसिस कर सकते हैं कि हाउ यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड दिस टॉपिक्स. Everything is added in this book. It's a very important book for the physics especially subject to crack this exam. So you can prefer this book by following the description link where the purchase link is added in the description link. You can follow that. Another book is most important, same publication is the chemistry book. It's the same things is added in here. 25 chapters also added in this book. 3 practice set is also added in this book, and previous year question paper also are solved in this book so that you can track your preparation and you can check your difficulty level, whatever the difficulty level of this book and last year which types of question was created by the examiners. All details are added in this book also, including latest to old. All things are added in this book. So every topic is narrated properly, segregated properly so that a candidate can easily understand and recognize the each and every questions. 3 practice set also is added at the end of this book. You can also this book and current revision edition as per the exam pattern. Latest exam pattern also is added in this book, so you can follow this book. It's the chemistry book and this is a very recommended book, and this book is followed by the candidates who have qualified this exam at first attempt. So I think this is the best and easy way to purchase this book. You can purchase this by nearing your book depot. Either you can purchase this book by following the direct link in the description. I have also added the direct link to follow that and just buy this book. Very important book है, आप इसे परचेज कर सकते हैं. सारी इंफॉर्मेशन एडेड है इसमें. A most selling book है and the most recommended book by the qualified candidates and the teachers. Another book is the most important, mathematics. Mathematics plays the vital role in this exam because mathematics always gives the exact number whatever you have solved in the exam. If you have solved the 100% accuracy, the number will be 100%. There is no lackness of any reducing the number and all. If you have qualified this exam in first attempt, this book is very important to help you and increase the numbers in your exam. Same things is also 29 chapters are also added in this book and the previous year question papers so that you can track your preparation and difficulty level of the question, whatever the difficulty level previous year by solving the previous year question papers. Includes all the online question papers also added in this book. Segregated in the chapter wise manner also, each and every topic is added in the detailed format, and 3 practice set also at the end of this book you will get. And so by that you can check your knowledge, you can check your preparation from where you have started and where you have reached. Everything is added in this book and every topic is added according to the latest exam pattern. So this book is very helpful to crack this your exam in coming exam in 2025. So you can follow this book. This book is very useful and recommended by the qualified candidates and recommended by the most popular teachers. They have also recommended this book online and given the most reviews of this book. You can buy this book by nearing your book depot. Either you can follow the direct purchase link which is added in the description. I think you have loved this video. If you have liked this video, you can share this video for the study material and related the exam pattern syllabus. You can subscribe the Study Rapid channel so that you can get all details on time at your mobile number. Thank you for watching.